A free lifetime membership to anyone who can make a hole-in-one tomorrow? Oh, boy, that's for me.
Hello? Yeah? A gig tomorrow? Oh, yoy! Better practice my tuba playing.
Better practice my long drive.
You wanna tell me?
Tooey! What's going on around here?
Sorry there, neighbor. I'll just practice in the other direction. I'll have to drive at least 300 yards tomorrow. I better see how far this bad boy can fly. Uh-oh! You wanna play a duet? Let's do it! What do you know? The perfect target practice. Four!
Woodpecker?
Looks like you got some of my balls.
What comes in my yard stays in my yard.
Aw, come on. Be a sport and just give 'em back.
I said no.
Okay. I guess you just don't have it in you.
Have what in me?
You can't blow hard enough on that thing to send those balls back.
Oh, yeah? Watch.
Well, what do you know? You're a real big bag of air after all.
Do-de-do-de-do-de-do-de-do.
My club.
Do-de-do-de-do-de-do-de-do.
Better get 40 winks if I want to be fresh on the links. Close one, eh? This woodpecker's gonna do what a woodpecker's gotta do. I am Hans von Silencio, the greatest tuba player of all time. Yeah, I was passing by when I heard your playing.
Oh, maestro, I have heard of your great...
Silence! What you're playing is missing is silence. You should be so good that the audience could actually fall and sleep in their chairs, yeah.
Yeah.
Shh. Shh.
He loves my playing. Sleep well, Mr. Hans von... Woodpecker!
Whoa! Miss me! Ha! Woo! There you go!
Ooh, you're stupid. I get my hands on you by...
Just gotta catch my Z's. It's tea time. One hole in one coming right down.
Woodpecker!
A hole in one! A hole in one! We have our newest lifetime club member, Woody Woodpecker!
What? No! No!